fancy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy spider went up the spout again.
Welcome back to our channel. Like promised earlier, we are going to show you how to make a spider, a moving spider. To make this spider, cut a circular piece of paper for the body. Then cut 8 strips of paper for the legs. I'm going to use googly eyes. I have also taken some string to make the spider move. You will also need some straws. Now we are all set to make the spider. First, glue the strips of paper to the circular paper piece. Now string the thread through the straw. Do the same for the second piece of straw. Now attach the straw to the paper with tape. After that, tie one of the string ends together. Now attach the googly eyes to the paper. Now fix the knotted end to the wall or a slant surface. And you're ready to go!
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe!